Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial x square minus 13x plus k such that alpha minus beta is equal to 3, find the value of k. We know from relation of zeros and coefficients of a polynomial x square minus 13x plus k with alpha and beta as zeros will have sum of zeros equal to alpha plus beta equal to coefficient of x divided by leading coefficient divided by leading coefficient, and this is negative. So in this case it's going to be minus of minus 13 by 1, so it will be plus 13, and product of zeros equal to alpha into beta equal to constant divided by leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is 1. So constant is k. So we get product as k. We are also given that alpha minus beta is equal to 3. We know alpha plus beta is equal to 13. Let's see, this is given. We know alpha plus beta equal to 13 from above. Let's call it 2. So if we perform this operation 1 plus 2, we get alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta equal to 3 plus 13. So that gives us minus beta plus beta get cancelled out and 2 alpha equal to 16. Therefore we get alpha equal to 8. And from there we get beta equal to, we have beta equal to 13 minus alpha, which is equal to 13 minus 8, which is equal to 5. So beta equal to 5. And k is equal to alpha into beta from equation A. I have named it A. Therefore we have k equal to 8 into 5. So k equal to 40. So the answer is 40.